and he is also known as the Tony Robbins of Latin America. Today we have the privilege to listen from him. One of the things that stand out is Coach Leonardo right now is working with the companies like HP, Toshiba. He's one of the keynote speakers for those companies. I'm not sure if you guys know HP, Toshiba. Anybody knows about their companies? Yeah. All right. So he's going to talk about the blueprint of the leadership in the digital age. Now he's going to share all the details about it, how you can make sure during the recession time, during the recovery time, you're going to have the blueprint on what you need to do on the changing in the economy, changing in the digital information and so on. I'm going to let him talk about it in details. Now, this guy is very humble, but this time, at this point itself, I need to make sure that he speak up and share all the information with you guys. If you have any question after that, make sure you ask him all the way. Okay, go ahead.
Thank you, Henry. Okay, this presentation is going to be a mindset shift because we are not going to talk about technical stuff. So I like to share some thoughts. For example, like Peter said before this day, it's not about learning anymore. It's about unlearning. So if we are humble to know that we don't know everything, that we can rethink things, that we can begin to learn again, that we need a mentor in order to see that we don't know everything. So in that way, we are going to begin this roadmap. I'd like to share with you a story. Today, I live a happy life, like Henry said. I usually speak for IBM, Oracle, Microsoft, HP. But my story was not always like that.